Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with our topic of circle, and this topic is of grade 10th. Okay. So before starting my chapter, I'm going to just introduce some basic definitions. First one is of chord. What is the chord? If we draw any circle like this, circle with center O. Now if we refine the chord is the any line which is drawn from one point of the circle to the another point. So this line is known as the chord of the circle. Next one, I am going to draw secant. SECANT. Now for secant again we take a circle with center O. Any line which passes from the circle line P and Q. This line is known as the secant of the circle. The line goes outside the circle also. Okay. Now the third one is tangent. Tangent is now our main topic. Again we will draw a circle with center O. Okay. Any line which touches the circle and it can be drawn like this. This is point P and Q. It touches the circle at single point. Let us say that this is a point A. This PQ is known as the tangent of the circle. It does not pass from inside the circle, it just touches the circle from the outside and line become PQ. Here this is PQ is the chord of the circle, here PQ is the secant, here PQ is the tangent. But if a line is drawn from inside the circle which passes through the center, and this line is known as the diameter, or it is also known as the longest chord of the circle. Okay. Now we are going to start with our exercise 10.2. Let's start our exercise 10.2. This is exercise 10.2 of NCERT book, grade 10th. Okay. Now first question is, from the point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeters. Then the radius of the circle is. If whenever we are given with the tangent, we just draw a circle with center O. Okay, let us draw the tangent here. You can draw tangent at anywhere on the circle. So let us suppose this is my tangent. Let it be a Q and T. This is the point where tangent meet, and this point is also known as the point of contact. Okay. Now from the point Q, I have taken one point Q. The length of a tangent is 25. From Q we have drawn the tangent QT and its length is given to us 24 centimeter, and the distance of Q from the center. This is my center O, and distance of Q from the center, it is given to me 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle is, now we know that what is the radius. If we join the center of the circle to the point which is on the circumference, then it will become the radius. So this is the radius. Okay, now we have to find the value of the radius. So I have a theorem also. The theorem is that tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. Okay, now here tangent is what? QT. It is always perpendicular to radius, and radius is what? OT. Perpendicular means QT is making a 90-degree angle at OT. It means here we have the angle of 90 degree. Now let us see this triangle. This is a right angle triangle OTQ. We'll write here in right angled triangle OTQ. Whenever we have a right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now what is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. We know that the side which is opposite to 90 degrees is the longest side, and it is known as the hypotenuse. And 90-degree angle is at point T, and opposite to T we have a length QO. So our hypotenuse is QO. Now remaining two sides we can take any one of the base and perpendicular. Let us take QT as a base and OT as a perpendicular. Now what is QO? QO is 25 square. What is OT? OT is 24 square. QT is 24 square. And what is OT? OT is the radius which we have to find. It is R square. Now the square of 25 is 625 and square of 24 is 576 plus R square. Now it will go on left hand side and its sign will become negative. It will become minus 576 is equals to R square. On subtracting we get 49 is equals to R square. So R will become under root of 49 and R will become 7 square. 49 is the square of 7. Square and root will be cancelled out and the value of my R is 7 centimeter. And this is my answer. This is the question number 1 of exercise 10.1. Okay. Now next